Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to remove audio from the video on Google Pixel 9. To do that, firstly, you should open the video in which you want to remove the audio.
1, 2, 3, 4.
For example, this one. Then just click Edit. Afterwards, just click on the sound button and then it will be lighting in blue color, and click Save Copy. Wait a while. And cool, as you can see right now we have two videos. Old one with the sound and the second one without the sound, even when sound is enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.